Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change email ID on Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your email ID on Google Pay, all you need to do is simply sign out from your current Google account and sign in with the new one. So this essentially replaces the Google account link to your Google Pay, and to do this you can simply go and sign out from your current Google account by tapping open your Google Pay app, and then you need to now sign in with the new email address that you wish to associate with Google Pay. After doing this, you need to confirm your phone number linked with your bank account during the registration. Now, your new email ID will automatically be associated with the Google Pay once you have typed it in. So, this is how you can simply change your email ID on Google Pay. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many upcoming and interesting videos like this.